Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
This is for you from Kitchen Treasures.
Okay, thank you.
Kitchen Treasures is our sponsors.
3 dishes means like
Yeah.
a tender coconut smoothie, and then I think there's some mushrooms there.
Okay.
And I'll make up a mushroom soup.
Uh-huh.
And main course, I think there's some chicken sitting there.
Okay.
So I'm planning to do a maybe like a continental style chicken. So we'll do a grill pan fried chicken breast
Oh, that
with some
sounds
potatoes,
good, yeah.
and I think I overheard them telling there's some spinach.
Ah, okay.
So we'll do with some spinach also.
Chodu palak hai? Ah,
Okay,
So
so
you got
that's
it
done.
right.
So let me just write it down.
okay.
Then we'll take and then we'll kick off.
You're going the proper hotelierian way. You're a true hotelierian, I have to tell you that.
No, we need to plan, right? Because I think we have very limited time.
Correct.
So
I know.
let's see. Actually, what we're going to do is we do a spice mix.
Okay.
Okay.
This is pepper, fenugreek and fennel.
We will need some coriander seeds. So what we will do is
Huh.
we'll roast them off so that smell comes. What I'll do is I'll use some of those chilies also.
Okay.
See, I have my chicken actually defrosting in the
Okay.
water.
Okay.
Now we'll move to our the welcome drink.
Okay.
Actually, I could not get too much of that malai.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
what I'll do is do a little bit of an innovation.
Okay.
I'll add a little bit of
Coconut. Okay.
grated coconut into it. We got the mushrooms for the soup. I'll use some mushrooms, onion, and garlic
Okay.
for the soup. This vegetable will be the accompaniment for
Spring
the
onion.
chicken. We'll use some thyme
Okay.
for the soup,
Okay.
and I've got some parsley and also rosemary. We're gonna do the mushroom soup.
Mushroom soup first.
So I think there's some olive oil here, onions. Do is onion, garlic, and at the most maybe celery, depends on what it is.
Okay.
And the main vegetable, so that we get the flavor of the main vegetable. We just need to sweat it. We don't need to saute it for a long time. Need to vegetable get soft, and we'll add the mushrooms. Let it cook.
Okay.
Salt, pepper. Now we'll add some water to it.
Malai in the tender coconut, he's used some grated coconut with some tender coconut water and a pinch of what? Mint, right?
Pinch of mint, honey.
2 or
yes.
3 spoons of honey.
Our smoothie is ready.
Okay.
So what we'll do is we'll put it in the chiller on the fridge. So
Okay.
by the time we cook the rest of the food, it will be nice and
Fine,
cold.
fine.
Now our smoothie is ready. So
Smoothie is ready. So
yes.
now only the main.
Now the chicken dish is, we need to make some mashed potatoes. So that's why I'm
Okay.
cutting this potato. Water is boiling.
Oh.
I'll put some salt,
Okay.
and we have some broccoli here. Padle down. It should be boiling water always.
Okay.
What we'll do is we'll put some salt. We'll put some pepper powder. But also we'll put some rosemary. The broccoli is ready now.
Okay.
I've taken some ice water from the fridge.
Okay.
So now ice water like it up.
Ah.
So it will stop cooking
Okay.
and it will retain the green color. Now I don't throw away the water. I'll put this potatoes
Okay.
into it. We're gonna use that for making some mashed potato
Okay.
for our dish, chicken. So let it cook. Now I think the mushrooms should be almost done. So
Smoothie.
now we will blend it. This is the cream, fresh
Oh,
cream.
it is
You don't need to add too much. All right, so
Soup
soup
is
is ready. Remember the
Yeah.
spice mix what we made.
Roasted.
So we'll just sprinkle it on top of the skin side.
Oh, nice.
Pan needs to be very hot.
Okay.
We'll use some of the garlic.
Garlic.
I'll put it back in this again. Some garlic and some rosemary, which is already here, so it's fine. It need to be hot when you mash it.
Okay.
Otherwise, it'll become very
They put some
gluey.
salt, അല്ലേ ഇതില്? അപ്പൊ correct ആയിട്ട്. Okay.
Parsley. Okay, so we'll leave it as it is.
Okay.
Let me just taste it. If it's we'll
Going
use
into
some
it.
wine also inside. Tingu, the chicken is ready now. All we have to do is just toss this broccoli,
Okay.
a little bit of salt and pepper, butter,
That's
and
it.
then we are done.